In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download Fortnite Mobile on an iOS and Android device. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's two ways to do this. You can open up, the App Store as well as the Google Play Store and just search for Fortnite, and it will pop up in here as well. It has been added back to the App Store and the Google Play Store. So open this up and you can download it this way, or what you can do is actually download it directly from Fortnite's website as well by just actually backing out, opening up a web browser of your choice, and just search for epicgames.com and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, and just make sure that you are signed into your Epic Games account. Whenever you're logged in though, essentially just go to this little search bar and search for Fortnite on here. And once you do select Fortnite, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you're going to see an option to either play with Xbox Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now, or Amazon Luna. These are all cloud-based services that essentially let you play the game, and they all work perfectly. So just follow the on-screen steps for this and you'll be in the game. After you choose whatever one you do, I honestly would recommend GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming just since I have experience with those, but that's just me. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.